for stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl dear. Hi guys, what's up? So me I do something and I decide to make a just show what me I do. So a lot of people ask, oh you eat certain things with braces, you know, but I have literally never tried eating a mango with my brace. So I'm gonna try to eat a mango with my brace. So please don't laugh after me. When the brace starts stuck in my teeth and pay things, the mango, me for say, the mango sir, that's stuck in my teeth.
It's okay.
No man.
Your name?
Mango get tough so.
It's Shannon Marie. Marie was.
So my teeth them, my brace is just as my teeth them up. With a face. A pretty girl is a pretty piece of girl. Tell us I'm pretty your fat and his husband left him.
Okay, discharge beds 1 and 3. 2 needs a social worker. Focus down from O'Malley. I'm going to be out for a while.
Why? What's going on with Izzy?
What's going on with Stevens is none of your concern. What is your concern? Sick people, all these sick people, until I get back, understand?
Dr. Bailey, just did a consult in trauma 1. Guy has a perf. Can I scrub in?
No, you cannot scrub in. You're here with O'Malley for now.
Hey, what's wrong with Izzy?
Bed 7 through 13, start with number 8. He doesn't have much bladder.
Yo, honestly.
First, Mr. Redford.
Oh, me do without mango so long in my life.
I will be examining.
No man!
Actually, I'm sorry.
Jesus! Look at.
I'll examine the donor.
And it starts. Mango in my teeth. I don't know how I'm going to get them out. Oh, my side is too nice. Put it in a ripe. Green man.
Open your chest and urine bypass, at which point we will connect the left atrium, then the right atrium. Superior vena cava. It simplifies the subsequent cardiac biopsies. You didn't read my article in the Cardiothoracic Monthly last year. Did you? Well, I think Christina has a copy of it. Christina? No? Oh, of course.
The mango sweet me. We don't. Am I video that?
Have you a video?
Yes, to see my video jump off. What happened? Look around. Yeah, I never touched that. Wait, you never did suffer. Did you suffer?
I wonder if I put the ads at the end and then you work your way up.
I wonder if to your next episode, it now go show them.
Oh, they said it did.
What you say? So this is one side of the mango people. I'm up one side, I go on the other side now. Are you sure nobody don't go see and touch and press my deals video?
We never found it. Yes, come on. Like we have nice ears.
Me only for that I'm look around.
I've cut my finger to it.
Maybe got us now?
But me say wait. I don't know wait.
Nah laugh. People, you told me love me. I don't want to put me for them.
Touchy when you say it, you
Mm.
know, I feel you when you say it, like, well.
Who else it mango this dangerous?
You hear me?
Hmm?
You hear me, dear police, man, how you tight, so? You see, we not there for me. Tell she if you send where she is, cause me no see it.
I don't like your carry on.
I don't see it.
I used to like chew the mango ear, them guys, but unfortunately I cannot chew the mango ear this trip. I cannot do it.
Sorry for your inconvenience.
Mm?
Are you want the mango?
Mango too sweet for the dash way, so. I don't know how I'm going to get them out. God have mercy. Anybody want to know about mango? No, I say. When they catch a mango on the side, so and you try bite the ear, that's the sweetest part to eat. Guys, so if you watched the video to the end, then you will know I wasn't talking much in the video. Go ahead. Teeth full of mango ear. My hands are all dirty, so I'm gonna wash it off and all that now. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you watch it to the end, mwah, I love you know. Remember, watch the video till the end. Always watch the videos till the end. Oh, and if you add spam a video, don't next them out. Watch them too. Mwah, love you know.